As I was finishing up some grading today from the spring semester, I was reading through some student reflection papers on their experimentation with alternative photographic processes, many of which this is the first time they've ever touched anything other than a digital camera. So it was really fun and insightful actually to see what they had to say after a semester without a digital camera in hand for this class. And it was really fun to see this theme in so many of their reflections about the idea around the journey or the process part of their making became so much more important to them than the final product. And while they were still excited about the final product, excited to see the final image come to fruition, and grateful for the process of that they realized that there was so much more meaning when they were engaged from the start than when they were only really paying attention at the end of their making of these photographs. And it was so fascinating. It was like seeing a mirror, because basically they were saying something that I have said to so many people in my spiritual direction practice. I'm Christine, artist, spiritual director, and educator. And so that absolutely came from my own spiritual director sharing it with me, that what we are invited to, what Christ invites us to, is not a guaranteed outcome. It's not the destination. That's not the important part. The important part is how we get there, the journey along the way, the process, the things we learn and experience and get to do. So if you're ever frustrated, like I was a little bit earlier today, about not being quite sure where this is all headed, maybe that's the point. Maybe there's something in that for you even today to consider.